Hi guys, it's me, Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. It is going to be a really quick, well I'm hoping it's kind of quick video sharing with you how I am going to, how I sew the signature into a traveller's notebook. I've done 2 already. I'm doing 3 for a friend, somebody going to Oslo. So I've done these 2, sorry, and I'm about to do just this last one. That actually is just for holding our photographs and memories and things. So before I start, what you need to sew in your signature, you need one of these, which is a Bookmakers Awl, AWL. You can use linen thread. I have done, but I can't always get hold of it, to be honest. Wax linen thread you can use, or this like embroidery thread. I'm using quite a lot of this just in single signature notebooks. It's quite strong enough, and I also got quite a lot in a haul. So yes, I got quite a lot of this thread in a charity shop. I've got, so I'm using quite a lot of this, and you can match the colours, which is nice. Little tip, you need a little darning needle, or you can actually go and get a bookmaker's bookbinder's set, which has all these things in for you. I think I did buy one from Amazon, which comes with all sorts of bits and pieces. A little tip, I've already threaded the needle. I tend to put a little bit of glue just on the end first and foremost, and let it dry whilst I'm collecting all the bits and pieces to just to help to get it through the needle eye. Excuse my hands, I have been gluing all day. So the first thing I do is with this is, as you've seen, get the bulldog clips just to keep everything in place. So you make sure all your pages are straight, are even, and they're in the order that you want. And then you secure them, the pages, with your bulldog clips. Get an old book. I've taken this out of a journal, a book for I've used the cover for, so that you can actually have it as a base for digging into using your awl, or you can use an old telephone book if you haven't got one already. Okay, so the first thing you do is you make 3 holes in the center of your notebook. So I start off by starting off right in the center. For these ones I don't particularly measure. Okay, and that has, I just check and make sure that it's going through the center. It's gone through the right to the other side. This is quite thick. I've doubled it up with 2 lots of card, and the binding is going to the notebook. So that's that one, first one. And then the second and third you do about half an inch to an inch away from the top and bottom. Always check. You see, check that's actually gone through to the to the back. It's quite large, quite a large hole. There you go. There you go. That's that one. And then this one. Again. There we go. That's quite a large hole actually, but if you can see, that's come through the other side. And once you've done that, you take your thread. You usually use about 2.5 the length of your book. And the first thing you do is you go into the center hole. Okay. This one I'm not going to do any embellishments on any beads or anything. I'm just going to tie this off in the middle, so I'm not going to do it too long. And then just to keep it out of the way, I tend to put it under the bulldog clip, the end there, and you pull it through to the back, you can see. And then you push it with your needle to the top or the bottom, either one, and pull it quite taut. Can you see it there? Pull it quite taut, and then you go back in to the center in the middle on the inside of the book. Take that through. Make sure it's really quite taut, and then on the okay, and then what you do then is you go up to the top hole. Look at the hole. That one's a little bit tough to get through, so let's just make sure with you all. Okay, something like that. Go back. So from the outside to the inside. And pull it right the way through. You can see, pull it taut. Then you go back into the center again, through the center hole. From the inside to the outside, make sure you pull it taut again. Alright, and then you take it up to the top again for a second, just to really secure it for a second time. Okay, you see that, and then you take that through the middle again to the other end. Okay, to the other end at the top. Through. Now some people make an envelope of the middle, which hides the stitching. So once you've taken that through for the second time, you take it up to the top like that, and you thread it through the top like so. Okay, and then you release the other one. Now you make sure before you cut anything off that it's quite secure. It's as tight as it can be so that you don't have loose. There you go. Excuse my family, are just outside the kitchen window here, just enjoying the sunshine, because here in UK today we're seeing some sunshine. It's not always the way in June, to be fair, so we do rejoice. So with that, what I'm going to do now is basically tie that off like so. Sometimes people leave the strings dangling like that and tie beads on them, like I have these ones. That one there, and got the beading on it, just going down to the center. Okay, and this one I'm actually going to, I've done it really long so that it can double up as a bookmark. So that one is ever so long on this, can you see? And then you can take it up to the top, and that's because it's going to be for the planner section of the notebook, all the lists and things, shopping list. I thought that'd be useful in that. Okay, so you can use it to tie a bow. Some people do little card hearts or stars or some such things, and they stick those on the bottom, which makes it lovely. But there you have it. Okay, that's how it looks at the back. Can you see? It's quite secure, that's not going anywhere. And so that is how you sew a simple one signature journal together. Okay, hope that's been useful. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. I try and do an Instagram post most days, and it gives you an idea of what's going on in the Jenny Journaling workshop. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you another time. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye. Bye.